Have you got waste piling up in Bacliff, Texas? Meet your ultimate cleanup crew, Texas Roll-Off. We've covered you, from home renovations, major construction projects, and a good old garage clean-out. Texas Roll-Off is your go-to solution for all things waste management. Big or small, we have the perfect dumpster size for every job. Our fleet of top-notch dumpsters is ready to roll anytime you need them. Not sure which size you need? No problem. Our team of experts is here to guide you, ensuring you get precisely what you need for a hassle-free experience. We pride ourselves on prompt delivery and flexible rental terms. With Texas Roll-Off, you can count on reliable service to keep your project moving smoothly. Ready to make your project easier and cleaner? Visit www.texasrolloff.com to get a quote, schedule a delivery, or learn more about our services. Or give us a call at 409-941-9820 and experience the unmatched convenience and superior service that has made Texas Roll-Off the trusted name for dumpster rental in Bacliff, Texas. Don't let waste pile up. Contact us today and let Texas Roll-Off help you keep your project on track and your environment pristine.